Alright boys, I'm at the Sidetalk 1000B. This is the 40 channel version. Apparently from what I'm reading, it's one of the rarer radios apparently. Anyway, so we're back to the modulation issue. I had to take the clock out of the radio in order to even get at the microphone circuit, because it's kind of like down in this general vicinity. In order to get at it, the clock had to come out, and that's the wiring diagram for the clock. And thanks to Mr. J and one SCA, you had to, in order to get the radio to power on an AC after the clock is removed, you have to put a jumper wire between the purple wire and the white wire here. So you put a jumper between this terminal and this terminal, two of these here. So you jump two of these and you can get your radio to power up again. So, audio 1, 2, audio, audio. So we've got modulation again. Audio 1, 2, audio. Audio, audio 1, 2, audio. Audio, audio, audio. Not the strongest, but it's there. Audio 1, 2, 3, audio. Audio 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, audio. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, audio. Audio. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio. So we've almost got it. Almost. So there was two electrolytic capacitors there. One of them are 1 UF. And the FET, I put another one in there. This one here might be a better match actually. But the original was a SK30A, and I've been going by the circuit for the 23 version of this radio, and let's turn off the light. So this here, so pin 2 right there, that's audio in. Or pin 1 should say, is audio in through. I replaced this capacitor here. Different number on that board for 40 channel, but this capacitor here I changed. I changed it this FET, SK40, and I still never got audio, so then I replaced this 1 UF capacitor. And now I've got audio passing, but still not. It's still not 100%. So now I'm thinking, and maybe I'm into this transistor here now, 2SD187. That's where I'm to now with this radio. That's the whole circuit there. So yeah, audio 1, 2, 3, audio, audio 1, 2. And one thing I didn't have the other day, yesterday, when I put PA in, and I switched the radio to PA, audio, volume up, audio 1, 2. Audio 1, 2. Audio 1, 2. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2. So, anyway, you get the picture. I now have modulation. It's going to the PA, no problem, but it's still not driving into the radio. So, I still think I'm down to another transistor. So, that's just a little update for tonight. We'll get more into this as we're moving along. But so far, these are the parts here that I've replaced thus far. Anyway, stay tuned for more on the 40 channel PACE Sidetalk 1000B. Alright guys, 7-3, and get you later.